Right, it's that time of the day again. Time for a cook up. Now, this time, I'm going to go back to doing, what am I going to do this time? Chicken supreme. I'd done it before, but everything went wrong, including the weather. I had to abandon it and ended up sleeping in the car down at Girvan Beach. Well, it's not going to happen this time. I've got everything laid out, everything prepared, and we're going to take our time about doing it. So, we'll start off by blanching the mushrooms. Now, this isn't any big deal. Just got a pot of water on. Well, there's a wee drop of water in that now. And I bought these mushrooms, they're going out of date. After all day. Now the last time we didn't put enough mushrooms in. So this time, we're going to overdo it. Yeah, that's a goodly amount of mushrooms. Now we'll just put them out the road. This is the trick with camping cooking. Get everything laid out beforehand. Now put a fair bit of water in there. The reason so much water is once it's boiled up and they're ready, I'm going to put them at one side. So that's on, bubbling away. I just need to watch it, that's it. Get me my coffee. Right, this is what I'm using. Morrison's chicken and white sauce. It's meant to be done in a pie. Now, there's all different loads of this. You get the dearest in the shop. I was really hoping for a known brand, but there's two lots of this. This was just under £2.50. The cheaper one was about £1.80. Now, always go for the dearer one. I got some stuff out of Lidl's the other week, and it was cheap curries in a tin, and they were bloody awful. Oh, I swore, I'm not allowed to swear on this channel. Aye, that'll be right. No, they were really bad. Always go for the best, and the chances are you'll get a decent meal. Now, the last time I had a known brand and there was more than enough chicken. I did chicken, but I didn't need to. There was more than enough chicken, so I'm hoping it's the same this time. Right, that's slowly boiling. I'll just slip that on top. And we've got to wait until that's ready for the next move. That looks ready. So we'll just put them at one side with the lid on. There we go. Put the other bowl in. Maybe put a wee bit of fluid in the bottom. Now, Morrison's chicken and white sauce. Oh. Oh. Oh, that tastes alright. And there's a lot of chicken in it. So remember what I said, always go for the deer one. You can afford it. Because think what one of these meal in the bags would have cost if you had went to the camping shop and got one of these fancy meals. A hell of a lot more than this. I think I don't know what the price of them is now. I've heard that. Well, I see them on the internet and I think they start about £5. And some of the better ones go up to £8 and £9. And that's for the dehydrated stuff. That is going to cost me £2.50. And I actually think it was less than that, but I just can't remember. My memory. That's how I get so much problems when I come out. The mushrooms, and there's some left. Nah, they're behind. They were about £1. So that's up to £3.50. That and the rice which I'll be putting in. It cost me about 50p, that's £3.50. And the garlic, I got it for him, it's gone back. Yeah, and I'll get 2 meals out of the rice. So there you're saying, got it £2.50. And I know that this would actually feed 2. And it's just a case of making sure it doesn't burn. Add more water if you need to, because the idea it's to get it to heat through. Now if you put that on high without water, it wouldn't heat through and it would burn. So you put the water on, put it on low, let it bubble away. And as usual, I've not got my glasses. Full, doesn't tell you, yeah. As usual, written in double Dutch, it's just under 400 grams. Well, that's telling you the carbohydrates in that. It's quite good actually. I can't see the calories on this. I'll be on it somewhere, but I wouldn't be able to see it. I'm blind. Well, I'm deaf. I'm blind. What can you say about me? Oh, there's the energy ratings there. And it's printed so blinking small that I can't see it. Oh. I didn't get what that's for, but it says a half can. They're saying that a full can of this is 550 calories, which is more than enough. Oh, that's starting to get a wee bit solid. I might put a wee bit more liquid in. No much. Anyway, I'll let that bubble away. I think that's about ready now. We'll drain the mushrooms. Right, that same drained. And just add them in. You know something? I should have put more mushrooms in there. I should have had more mushrooms. Just get a wee stir, get a minute to heat through. And now we'll add the rice. Now, this is ordinary long grain rice. I don't know if that's the right thing. I'm not really up on this rice technology. It might come out like a rice pudding. As long as it tastes like chicken, I'll eat it. Oh yeah. A wee taste. Oh, tastes strongly chicken. Let's add a good dollop. A good dollop of garlic. I like my garlic. Oh, I can smell it already. If you don't like garlic, don't put too much in. It's like any spices or herbs. Be careful with them. But this is all what my style of camping and cooking's about. It's taking something that's reasonably cheap, reasonably accessible, easy to cook, and giving it extra value. So we've taken a tin of chicken and white sauce, which would be used for making pies. We've added mushrooms, a bit garlic and some rice, and made a chicken supreme. Oh, you can taste the garlic. Garlic's like curry powder. If the meat isn't up to it, it'll help to make it taste better. Look at that. I would say that's done. Just put that to one side. Get a plate ready. Now we'll switch that off. Lift that out. One side. Oh, look at that. Now, what do you do next before you start your feed? Get it back on. Aye, if you just leave a pan like that, it's going to stick. Always. Put some water in. Makes cleaning a lot easier, and that's all part of camping. Anyway, let's see how this goes down. Look at that. Oh, the plate's a wee bit hot. Of course it's a metal plate. Luckily we have the technology. Right. Oh. Not disappointed. That is a very good chicken supreme. Morag is under the table hovering about. She knows I'm not going to finish this. Yeah, definitely a meal. There's enough there for 2 people. I was right to put the garlic in. Now, to improve on it, I would have put more mushrooms in. I would have made it more mushroomy. What else can you do to it? Well, I don't really know because this is how I like it. Some people would maybe add herbs or, you know, whatever. A wee bit extra cream instead of water. That would be nice. Loads of things you could do it. But anyway, there lads and lassies, there's another cheap meal for you. Now, as always, I'm going to get into my coffee. And as always, at the bottom of the page, hit the button, buy me a coffee, help me get my camper van. I'm actually sitting looking at one of them along there. I've got green eyes, but eventually, all the wee bits and pieces, cups of coffee, I'll get myself a camper van. I'll hate to put a bit to it maybe, but I'll get myself a blinking camper van sooner or later. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to enjoy this.